Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a look at the Rowenta Iron Steamer for clothes. A 3-in-1 handheld steamer that's not only the best handheld steamer but also a powerful lint remover. If you're tired of battling wrinkles and lint on your clothes, this is the device you need to check out. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about its versatility. The Rowenta DR8855 combines 3 functions into one sleek, easy-to-use design: vertical steaming, horizontal ironing, and lint removal. This means you can effortlessly switch between steaming your delicate fabrics, ironing your shirts, or quickly removing lint and dust from your favorite garments. No more switching between multiple devices. One of the standout features of this steamer is its sheer power. With 1,875 watts of steam, the Rowenta DR8855 is engineered to provide fast, efficient, and powerful steaming, allowing you to smooth out wrinkles in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional methods. The extra-large sole plate delivers 40% more surface area, and with 300% more steam, it's perfect for tackling tough wrinkles on all fabric types. Now, when it comes to steam settings, this steamer doesn't disappoint. It comes with 5 adjustable settings, so you can easily switch between low, medium, and high steam depending on the fabric you're working with. Whether you're ironing a silk blouse or steaming a heavy cotton shirt, this device has got you covered. For those of you who are always on the go, the Rowenta Iron Steamer is incredibly lightweight, making it the perfect travel companion. Weighing 2.95 pounds, it's lighter than most traditional steamers, so you can take it with you without adding extra weight to your suitcase. Plus, the 8.5-foot cord gives you the freedom to move around, so you won't feel restricted while using it. The 7.1 ounces water tank provides up to 12 minutes of uninterrupted steam. This is more than enough time for you to steam your clothes, smooth out wrinkles, and remove lint, without needing to stop and refill. And if you're concerned about safety, the Rowenta steamer has an automatic shut-off feature, so it'll turn off if it's left unattended for too long. Finally, the Rowenta Iron Steamer for clothes features a reversible pad system that makes it easy to remove lint, dust, and other debris from your clothing, leaving your garments looking fresh and clean. In conclusion, whether you need to steam your clothes, iron your shirts, or remove lint, the Rowenta DR8855 is a must-have in your home. With its 3-in-1 functionality, powerful steam, adjustable settings, and lightweight design, it's clear that this steamer stands out as one of the best handheld steamers and lint removers on the market. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.